Clifford is funded in part by a Ready-to-Learn grant from the U.S. Department of Education from the Corporation for Public Broadcasting, and by contributions to your PBS stations from viewers like you. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Emily Elizabeth, and this is Clifford, my big red dog.
Clifford needed Emily, so she chose him for her own. And her love made Clifford grow so big that the Howards had to leave their home. Clifford's the best friend anyone could know. He's the greatest dog ever, I really think so. Clifford's so loyal, he's there when you call. I love Clifford, the big red dog. So they packed up a family car, and the Howards left the city. They moved to Birdwell Island and their many new friends, there to greet Clifford and Emily. Clifford's so much fun, he's a friend to us all. I love Clifford, the big red dog. Woo!
On the count of 3, down the hill, Emily Elizabeth. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Hey! Why aren't you running, Emily? Well, I've never used one of these round sleds before. I'm not so sure I can do it right. Don't worry about that. You wouldn't be the only one. Oh, come on, try it. Okay. Here we go. That was great. Let's do it again.
Okay, guys, look out! Here comes my famous hop, hop, and slide.
Go T! You can do it, T!
Hop, hop, and slide.
Woohoo! T, 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 T!
My turn! Here I come, T-Bone! Hop, hop, and slide!
Wow, slide-o-mazing!
Now you go, Cleo.
Oh, no. That's okay, Clifford. You can go next.
Okay, stand back, everybody. I'm gonna hop, hop, and slide. Ready? Here I come! Wahoo! Huh? Oops! Maybe I'll just skip straight to the slide part.
Good idea, big guy!
Here I go! That was great! Now you go, Cleo.
Okay. Sure, I'll go. Here I come. Whoa!
Are you okay, Cleo?
Yeah.
Cleo, did you hurt yourself?
Hurt myself?
Gosh, I hope not. Then she couldn't skate with us anymore.
Yeah, then I couldn't skate anymore.
It didn't look like a bad fall.
No. Oh, but I think I might have bruised my paw. Oh, yeah, I definitely hurt my paw.
I should go get Emily Elizabeth.
Or Mrs. Diller.
Or Dr. Dan.
Oh, no. I'm okay, really. I just need to rest my paw.
Let's fix a place where Cleo can sit and rest for a while. There! How's that?
A snow couch? Cool. It's perfect. Thanks, Clifford.
You're welcome.
Oh, hey, you want me to show you my latest ice skating routine?
Sure.
Okay, here goes.
Yeah, Mac, go for it!
Great, Mac! Emily Elizabeth,
I guess it's time to go home, huh?
can I give you a ride, Cleo?
Sure.
We're going home. You coming, Mac?
No thanks. I think I'll stay here and practice my triple flipple.
Okay, see you,
See
Mac.
you, Mac.
Bye.
There you go, Cleo.
Thanks, Clifford.
Cleo? Wasn't it your other paw that you hurt?
Oh, no. It's spreading. Both of my paws are bruised now. I better go lie down. Bye.
Gosh, I hope she's going to be okay, Clifford.
I hope so too, T-Bone.
I had a really fun day today, Clifford. Charlie brought these saucer sleds to the park, and I'd never ridden a sled like that before. I was afraid I was going to be really bad at it and get totally embarrassed. I didn't even want to try it at first. Yeah. But the more times I slid, the better I got. Now I can't wait to go sledding again tomorrow. Yeah!
Whoa.
See you later, Clifford.
Wow, Emily Elizabeth was afraid to go on that new sled today. I wonder if Cleo was afraid to go out on the ice. Maybe that's why she said her paw hurt. Hey, Cleo!
Uh-oh.
You feeling better today?
We're going back to the ice rink.
Oh, great. Going back to the ice rink, huh?
We were going to, but if your paw still hurts.
Oh, yeah, it's still pretty sore.
Wasn't it your front paw you hurt?
Huh? Oh, yeah! It must be spreading!
Oh, that's too bad.
But don't you worry about me. I'm just fine with going back to the ice rink. I love watching you guys. Come on, follow me.
It's really weird how her sore paw keeps moving around, huh?
Yeah, it is. Come and try my slippy twirly spin thing, Mac. It's fun. Woohoo!
Oh, woohoo! That does look fun. Let me try. Whoa! Whoa!
Come on, Mac. Try it.
I don't know how to do that. I look ridiculous.
Aw, don't worry. No one does it perfect the first time.
Well, okay, I'll try.
I think Mac was kind of afraid to try. But look at him now. He sure is having fun.
Huh? Yeah! Whoa, 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 whoa.
It does look kind of fun. I want to try it. Oops.
Maybe your paw is better, Cleo. Why don't you try it and see?
Great idea, Clifford. Hey, would you look at that? It is better. How about that?
Well, come on then. Let's get on the ice. Woohoo!
Okay, here goes. Whoa! This is really great.
What about your sore paw?
Yeah.
Guys, I have to tell you the truth. I didn't really hurt my paw.
Huh?
Then why'd you tell us you did, Cleo?
I guess I was kind of afraid.
You were afraid? Of what?
Well, I've never skated before. I guess I was afraid I was gonna be really bad at it, and you guys would laugh at how silly I looked.
We all look pretty silly, Cleo.
But trying new things with your friends is fun.
You're right! What was I thinking?
So let's all have fun and do my slippy, twirly, spinny thingy together.
Okay, let's do it! How about a little help, big guy?
Okay.
Yahoo! Thanks, Clifford.
You're welcome, Cleo.
Clifford! It's story time! You want to hear a Speckle story, don't you? I thought so. He's your favorite. Today's story is Speckle and the Music Makers. One sunny afternoon, Speckle and his friends thought it would be fun to make their own band. They imagined all the wonderful music they would make. All they needed now was some instruments, which they didn't have. Then Speckle got an idea. He picked up a paper tube and blew into it like a trumpet. Reba took a glass of water and a spoon and created a tinkling chime. Darnell and Luna used pots and lids as drums and cymbals. But Robbie didn't know what to do. Speckle said there was still one thing their band needed: someone to lead them. They all soon discovered that the very best part of being a band was making music together. The end. That was a great story. Isn't reading fun? A friend in need.
Whoa! Well, hello, Clifford. It's nice to see you, too. I've been busy getting ready for Keep Birdwell Island Beautiful Day. See you later, Clifford.
We need to get ready for the big celebration tomorrow, so I need volunteers to clean up around the bandstand in Birdwell Park. The bandstand is where the big Keep Birdwell Island Beautiful ceremony will take place.
So, everyone is gonna see it?
I guess you're right. Everyone will see it.
I'll do it, Miss Carrington!
Why, thank you, Jetta. And who would like to help?
Oh, that's okay, Miss Carrington. I can do it myself.
Huh? Are you sure, Jetta? It's an awfully big job.
Oh, it's no problem for me. I'm sure I can do an amazing job. Jetta always wants to be the star.
Well, I suppose you could try, but...
Thank you, Miss Carrington. I'll start right away.
Okay. And finally, I'll need some volunteers for the pier. Okay, Charlie and Emily Elizabeth.
Whoa.
And Clifford, of course.
Whoa.
Here comes Clifford! Hiya, Clifford. Hey, Clifford. Come to help us, boy?
Whoa, whoa.
You better go get it, boy.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa.
Aw, thanks for helping, Clifford, but we're almost done here. Why don't you go see if someone else could use your help?
Whoa.
Tomorrow everyone will see the great job that I've done. Then they all will agree that I am number one. Huh?
Whoa,
Oh, hi, Clifford.
whoa, whoa.
I'm really trying to clean up here, so could you just sit quietly? Over there. Don't worry, Clifford, I'll be done soon. Wow, there's a lot more work to do here than I thought there'd be. This place looks really great.
Yeah! I can't wait until the party tomorrow.
I wonder how Jetta's doing. Trying to take care of the whole big bandstand area all by herself?
Let's go!
Oh, I gotta finish this sign. And then I gotta pick up the leaves and then wash the chairs and then decorate and... Well, at least the banner's done. Everyone's gonna love it. Can't get my foot out.
Uh-oh, Jetta needs help.
Oh no! Look at the mess I'm making. Oh, now I'm never gonna finish by tomorrow. Are you okay, Jetta? Do I look okay? Look at me. Look at this place. What a mess. I'm going home to take a bath. Can we help you clean up here? No, I can do it myself. She's never gonna finish this by tomorrow all by herself?
Well, you offered to help Emily Elizabeth, and she said no.
Poor Jetta. I wonder if there's something I can do to help.
Hi, Charlie.
Hey, Emily, watch this. Oops.
Good one, Charlie. Have you seen Clifford?
No, but I'll help you look for him.
Great. Let's go.
Look, Emily Elizabeth. There's Clifford.
Clifford, are you trying to help Jetta? Oh, that's really nice of you. I'll help too.
What are you doing, Emily?
Clifford has the right idea. We're gonna help Jenna finish in time.
Why?
Because she really needs our help, Charlie. I think it's just hard for Jetta to admit it. So, you want to help us?
I don't know.
Come on, Charlie. We can be like secret elves and surprise Jetta.
I think Clifford wants me to help. Okay, Clifford. It might be kind of fun.
Great!
Is really going to be surprised. Hey, let's hide and wait for her to come back.
Oh, great idea! I can't wait to see the look on her face! I'm never gonna finish the park in time. Wow! How did this happen? Clifford? Clifford? Did you do this? Well, that's just about the nicest thing anyone has ever done for me. Thank you, Clifford.
You were right, Emily Elizabeth. It feels pretty good helping a friend out.
It sure does. Emily Elizabeth? Charlie?
Uh-oh, she sees us.
Did you and Clifford finish the job for me?
Well,
I told you guys I didn't want any help. But I'm sure glad you didn't listen to me.
Huh?
Thank you, guys. I never would have finished without your help. Well, friends are supposed to help each other. Emily Elizabeth, you and Charlie are the best. And Clifford, too. Can't get me.
Ha! Clifford's it!
Okay, I'm it. But first, let's eat.
Clifford and I both love playing with our friends. It's fun to be together. especially when you share.
Having a picnic today was a great idea, Clifford.
Yeah, I brought a whole bag of my favorite dog treats. They're so good. Who wants to try one?
I do.
You bet.
Me too.
Mine are delicious too. Here.
Great. Looks good.
Yum.
You guys have to taste mine.
Thanks.
Mine are pretty doggone good too.
Aren't you gonna share, Mac?
Oh, yeah. Sorry. Try one of mine, guys.
Thanks.
Okay. You're right, Mac.
Yum.
It's nice when you share with your friends. That's why Clifford's big idea for today is sharing.
I love being a parent. I have 3 children, Jack, Emma, and Marjorie. All 3 of them have high-functioning autism. PBS Kids has been such a big part of our lives. We're just thrilled to be able to express what an impact it's made on our family. We watch Daniel Tiger on PBS Kids every day. It really helped Marjorie in her journey getting leg braces. She watched that episode when Prince Wednesday's cousin, Chrissy, is visiting, and Daniel meets her and notices Chrissy wears these leg braces. Getting the leg braces was difficult for Marjorie. Seeing Chrissy wear the braces just totally changed her mindset about it.
She has braces just like me. I'm just like you. I just walk a little differently.
Seeing someone else with braces made her feel like it's okay. Like, oh, someone else has them. We're the same.
I feel like she was made just for me.
PBS Kids is such a value to our family.
Nothing is little when it comes to Clifford. Clifford stands out in the crowd. He loves to play and bark out loud. He loves to swim. He loves to dig. And that's easy when you're so big. Watch Clifford the Big Red Dog for lots more big red fun. Only on PBS Kids.
Remember, it only takes a little to be big.
Clifford is funded in part by a Ready-to-Learn grant from the U.S. Department of Education from the Corporation for Public Broadcasting, and by contributions to your PBS stations from viewers like you. Thank you.
I taught you to throw a ball, but you taught me a blanket can be a fort. A box can be a car and a spaceship. And kindness brings us together. You taught me that courage comes in all sizes. Sometimes I forget what's important. Luckily, you remind me the world is full of possibilities, and so are you.
Tickets, please! Watch PBS Kids for Dinosaur Train. You'll meet new creatures both wild and tame. When it's rolling on down the track, just take a seat in the front or the back.
Dinosaur Train, streaming now, free on PBS Kids.
Clifford says be the best red dog on your block. Visit your local library to discover all kinds of books, both big and small.
Dig up more fun with Clifford and his friends at pbskids.org.
Check out Let's Go Luna on PBS Kids. Andy, Carmen, and Leo travel all over the world, making friends everywhere they go. But their favorite is
Luna! Next on KLCS.
I don't remember how it started.
Go to that.
Our back and forth. It always came back.
Dad!
You probably don't remember what you told me,
That was perfect.
but I heard every word.
The gift of imagination allows children to see a better world. Playtime allows them a chance to practice creating it. Don't underestimate the power of play.